Today we will learn how to write the code in the MATLAB. So this is the first one example. So for this one, first let's go to the MATLAB. So this is the online MATLAB. I showed this before. To write a code file in MATLAB, you need to click this button, New Script, or click this one, click and hold, and the first choice, the same, so script. So this is the edit. Okay, you can type any command and functions in. For example, for that one, so for this file, the line at the beginning of the lines with the percent symbol. So this is the comments. So this is not real code. So just the comments of the file. First M file. Then this is my name. Then you can write down your name here. Then this is the date I wrote this file. The last one. Okay, just go to the MATLAB. Okay. Close this. For saving time, I already uploaded the file in the MATLAB. Okay, just open this file, double click or right click, click open. So in this edit, okay, this is the line number. Okay, first 3 lines are comments, then blank line. So this is also the comments for the following commands. Clear cache. So this is actually for the workspace. So clear all. We showed this before. Then percent close all figures. Close all. So if there's any figure windows, so just close. Clear command window. CLC. For this one, so this is the time vector. So T for time. T begin. So this is the beginning time. So from the 0 second. Yeah, the unit is in second. T end. So end time. So 20. So 20 second. So equals 20. Then semicolon I mentioned before. So this means it doesn't show this results in the command window. Step size equals 0.02. So this means step size is the 0.02 second. T span equals T underscore begin, comma, step size, comma, T underscore end. So this create a row vector. So time vector. T span. Let me copy this. So copy and paste in the command window. Then press enter. So you can see in the workspace, step size 0.02, begin, T begin 0, T end 20. T span, so this is a row vector, so it's 1 by 1000 and 1. Double click this, you can open this vector. Okay, here, T span. So you can see at the beginning, the first element, 0. The following 0.02. Then 0.04, 0.06, 0.08. So every time is added by 0.02. So this is the step size, 0.02 second. So the time vector is from the 0 until, so it's very long, go to the end. So until the 20 second. So every step is the 0.02 second. So close this. Okay, so this create a time vector. Then x1 equals sine t span. T-spine, so this is time vector, also now is the input or argument of the sine function. We said before, the argument is in the radians, okay. So x1, so it's a sine wave. Then plot this, the sine wave. T-spine, so x1, so now in y-axis, okay. Grid on, hold on, we show this later. Then x2 equals 3 times cosine t-spine. So argument is the same, but now the output is the cosine function and the amplitude is 3. Then plot. So t-spine x2, comma, r, here r is for red. Then line width 5, so make the curve thicker. For the default, this one, this doesn't mention the color and the line width. So this means we use the default setting, okay. We will show this later. So after you type all this in, don't forget save these files, okay. For save, you can click this button, save, and then type the name. Don't forget the extension is M. So after finish this, so we can run the code. Okay, so now results show here. So let me make this bigger. So in this figure window, so there are two curves. The thin blue one, this is the sine wave. So from 0 second to the 20 second, 0 to 20 second. The red curve, so is x2. So this is the red and the thicker curve, okay. Just remember, line width is the 5. Default line width, I think is the 0.5, okay, for blue one. So we will see that. So now we can show these two curves in the one figure window. So two curves are in the same figure window. So this is for y-axis, so from -3 to the +3. So you can see for MATLAB, plotting is very simple. Okay. So now let's show what these two commands for. So let me comment this one. It's two commands. Save. So there's star here. So this means the file is not saved. So we can press the save button now. So you can see now just show one curve and without the grid. So for grid, you can type this in the command window. So grid on, so now show this again. Without hold on, so x1, the default blue sine wave is disappear, right? So just show one, the cosine curve, so the later curve. So this means if you want to show several curves in one figure window, so you need the hold on this command. Let me remove and run again. So you can see the star disappeared. So this means this file is saved automatically. Okay, so this is this one. Okay, so the key actually here in this file is how to create a vector. So for creating vector, so you need the starting point, step number, and the end point. Between them, you need to use the column symbol. Okay. Then for plot, for default, so just X and Y, and we can also add other parameters to the plot. So for the plot, so you can also go here, type plot, then there are a lot of the help here, so click this one. Okay. So this is the, for this function plot. So default plot X, comma, Y. So just plot one curve. Then line specification. For line specification, so there are a lot of settings here. So this is some examples. Okay. Okay, let's go to the line. So for the curve, we can change the color, we can change the line style, and we can also plot the marker for the points. Okay, and this is for the colors. For line type, so solid line, dash line, so you need to use this symbol. Okay. Then dot line, comma, dot, dash, dot line, so you need to use dash and dot. For marker, circle, plus, star, dot, cross, and also the others. So you can get from this figure. These are some of the popular color here. So red, so you can just use R, green, G, blue, B, cyan, C, magenta, M, yellow, Y, black, K, white, W. And this is RGB number. So for example, so this is the popular color. You can also use the RGB numbers. Just for example, we go back to this one. Let's change the first one. So we can go to color, then use the 0.5, 0.5, 0.4, 0.8. So actually, I don't know what this color for. So let me. So it's like the magnet, I think. No. So let me change this one. Just choose. So RGB, this is red, this is green, this is blue. Let me run this one. Okay, means red is too much. Okay, about this one. Okay, this is like the blue. Okay, so just let you know, so you can change the number like this. Okay, this is like this one, the magnet. Okay. So we can go to close to yellow. Let me change this. So this number between 0 and 1, right? 8. So this one is 4. So this color is close to 1, close to yellow. Okay. Okay, yeah. So like this. Okay, so this means actually you can use the number use RGB value to assign the color to the curve. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, go back to the handout. So this is the first one. So you need to write this code file in MATLAB and run this one without any error. Okay, I forgot this. Just for example. So if you typed something wrong, just for example, maybe cosine, so just for case, I wrote to this one, COD. So actually this is not a function in MATLAB. So let me run this one. Okay, so now you can see in the command window. So now it's show the error, the message, unrecognized function or variable COD. And also show the line number here. This is the file name, 926. So 926, so you can go to 26. So COD, this is show here. You can also click the 9 number and go to this the position. So we now know COD is wrong, so we can go back to COS. Then click run again, run button. So now there's no error in the command window. Okay. So you need to upload or submit this file in Canvas. So this is your homework one. Okay, so let me check. This is homework one. Let's do one more. Okay. Control flow. So example 4. So this is just let you know how to build a for loop. The same commands for loop. My name, date. Now clear all, close all, CLC, n equals 1000. X equals zeros, n comma 1. So for this one, this is, let me copy. We cannot copy. Okay. Okay, clear all. Close this one. CLC n equals 1000. N equals 1000. X equals zeros and 1. X equals zeros and 1. Okay, so zeros, so this create a zero matrix, and the matrix, the size is n by 1. So this is the column vector. So you can see 1000 by 1. Open this variable. So you can see 0, 0, 0. So actually, so it 1000 0 elements. This is the what's the 0 for? Okay, this function for. Okay, the same for saving time. Just open this file. T similar, so the same one, so create a 0 vector n by 1. Now the step is step number, so it's 0.01. So this also actually is the time. Then for loop, so for I equals 1 to n, 1 column n. So this is because in the MATLAB, the index of matrix start from 1. Okay, this is important. This is because in C language, index of a matrix is or array is from the 0. MATLAB is different from the C. Okay, so Ti, so this is the step number, equals I minus 1 at the beginning, this is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? So time start from 0. Time start. Then xi equals the sine, then ti. So at the beginning, so get the time value. Then it's the sine. Assign the time value to the sine function. So this is x. So we know x also is a sine function. So use this for loop, create a sine method, then plot tx grid arm. Okay, so let me run this one. So this use the for loop, create a sine function. So you can see from 0 to 10 seconds. For sine function, we know value from the -1 to +1. ABC in the default. Sorry. Okay, for the 9 specification, I forgot one thing. So this is the type, marker, color, and the 9 bits. I forgot to mention this. So this is some color here. Okay, 9 bits. So 9 bits, yeah, 0.5 is default value. Okay, so this is the second example. So this one we use a for loop with a sine wave. Just remember in the first example file, we can call this sine function directly. So this is more convenient. This one for loop, so just let me know how to use the for loop in MATLAB. Okay, so this is the for week 3. So you need to upload, submit these 2 files in Canvas, example 4 and example 1. So write these 2 files in MATLAB and run these 2 files without any error. Okay.